Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, completed KYC, 2FA, and available crypto balance to back your ad. Next, open Binance app or web, navigate to P2p, and tap Create Ad. Choose Sell or Buy, select the exact crypto and fiat, then set price type, fixed or floating, and a competitive margin. Once done, make sure your payment methods are active and verified so trades clear quickly. This prevents cancellations and builds trust, because sellers with locked funds get prioritized in search. You now tune details that control execution and risk. In pricing, select fixed or use a margin formula against market price. This keeps offers competitive. Then set trade limits, payment window, and allowed payment methods. Tighter windows reduce dispute exposure. Add clear trade terms explaining required buyer info and payment proof to avoid confusion. Also enable buyer filters, like completion rate and minimum order count, so you only match with reliable traders. These steps reduce cancel rates and speed successful settlements. You publish the ad and actively monitor incoming orders. Quick responses keep buyers confident. When a buyer pays, verify the exact payment in your bank or payment app before releasing crypto from escrow. This prevents fraud. If a buyer delays or payment is questionable, do not release. Open a dispute and provide transaction screenshots and chat logs. If visibility or cancellations spike, adjust price, update terms, or pause the ad. One key tip: keep detailed screenshots to escalate effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.